Give me your all. Do not dare waste my time. You would be wise to surrender now. A surprising show of competence for once. And here I was expecting a challenge. What hope remains for you? They don't call me the first Reaver for nothing.
Captain Abaddon sends his regards. Will you beg for mercy from the edge of a blade? I've been struck worse by far better fighters. Blaming chance and fate is the poor warrior's excuse. I'm not master of the Juster for nothing. Lupercal!
Draw your weapon! There's no time to waste! I promise I will make it quick. Things are getting serious. The strongest chain falls by its weakest link. I am never alone. A well-aimed spear is worth half a battle.
Oh, how I have waited for this. I will finish what we started at Istvan. A new level of cunning. You will regret this. This isn't personal. This chase has gone on long enough. If it brings you any comfort, you will not die alone. The War Master shall have your head. Persistent pest, aren't you? How I wish you could see this Moy. Yet more throats begging for a blade. The War Master's shadow covers all, and all is within his grasp.
New foes! What a wonderful sight! There is no escaping the War Master's shadow. It pains me to admit you did well. The time for caution is over. My blade yearns for new blood. No such thing as luck.
No further. I am the end of the line. I will not rest until your blood stains this blade red. In my defense, I have had a miserable day. Now there's a wonderful view. 5th Company, advance! I wasn't made mournable by chance.
Let it be war. Keep your eyes open. See what real power looks like. Your efforts are admirable, yet futile. When I strike, I do so with the strength of a legion. This is but a glimpse of the times to come. I will do what must be done.
No more hiding. This is the true power of chaos. You are not worthy of witnessing my ascent. I praise your efforts to escape your fate, futile as they are. This is the triumph of ruin. By name and by nature, mortals are meant to die. It is my hand that wills the dark, the fate of all existence.
I am mankind's only hope to prosper. No turning back. I will conquer the future or erase it. You're merely delaying your demise. The end times begin. Every step I take, the Imperium crumbles. I bow before none.
Greetings. I can beat you any day. Good job.
Lock and load!
We'll fight to the last man. I am your enemy.
Hello. Have I told you the joke about the bear? Oh, neat. Not so fast. You talk too much. You'll have to do a lot better than that.
We meet again. The day will not save you. Impressive. I'll have a swift victory. Prepare to be illuminated. Let the galaxy burn.
I only greet my equals. It's over for you. Good, but pointless. No regrets. Winning is survival. You can't run forever.
You shall salute me. We own the night. Very impressive. I'll make it quick. Join me. Exterminatus!
I am Tereth Reborn, he who is now torn again. Tereth's soul howls, yours won't have the chance. I'd be hurt if I wasn't already dead. Go on, take your best shot. You cannot kill me. And so the tide shift.
I salute you. Let us begin. This is the anvil upon which you will be broken. That was well done indeed. Now, we have a war to wage. So, how do you think it's going so far? Have you ever known me to lose a fight?
We are here to make history. I've shot men for less. A good shot, but not good enough. I'm playing with you. There is a war to be won. Victory is the only thing that matters.